Hello, happy Thursday or Friday. Um, so if you're in when you're in Mr. Caditz's, you're going to be working on this Thursday and Friday. Um, we're going to be working on some Punnett squares in my room. So this is what your job is in his room. And we'll also be talking about mutations in my room. So here we are. We're learning about natural selection. And this web quest will walk you through and teach you about the natural selection and the process. So you're going to start out here and right at the top, and you just go through. You've done these before, and you're going to read the directions. It tells you what to do. It says when you come to a slide, there will be a link for the website. So click on that, watch it, and then there's going to be questions to fill out after you watch it. So you need to watch it carefully and get your answers. Okay? It says to erase the line where the answer should be and then put it in and put a font that's blue or green. It just makes it easier to read. Okay? And get the size of the font that fits into that answer spot. So that's what these directions are. You can read these. Okay? So then you start out and you click on your video or PowerPoint, whatever they have for you to read, and then you go through and you answer these questions. Okay, that's what you do. So you take this and you just erase the line, and then you put in whatever question it is, whatever answer it is. Okay, so that's how this is done. And you're going to go through and you are going to do each one of these all the way down to slide 12. This should take you the whole hour. Go slow. Understand what this web quest is talking about, natural selection. This last one says, during the simulation, you were able to change characteristics of bunnies in order to help them adapt to the environment. Explain in your own words how natural selection allowed the bunnies to survive with different predators, food types, and environmental climates. Okay? So here you're going to click on this, and then you can start typing and typing your answer in here. Okay, that is it. So this is your job when you are in Mr. Caditz's room. Have fun, enjoy. Bye-bye.